Hey riders, Romero here, and today we're going to be installing a trailer step for my Sea-Doo GTI SD 170. When launching and loading the jet ski onto the trailer, I found myself stepping on the plastic fender, which, you know, I don't have too much confidence in, although it does hold my weight. So I wanted to be safe and install this this step, which does install right here, just to give me that little sense of confidence. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this project started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to attach the back plate, like putting the two bolts on. So you want to have obviously the bolt, the washer, the space that's gonna grab onto the trailer, the crush washer, and the nut. Now you want to do this on the top side so that when you set it up on the trailer, it's just gonna sit there. So I just set it on the trailer and it's not attached currently, but this allows you to easily find and adjust which of the bottom holes you're going to use to secure this to the trailer. Obviously, if you want to make the step higher or lower, you would select which hole would be the minimum hole, or the lowest hole you select. In this case, I want it to be even with my fender, so I have selected the top hole. Once you have all four bolts on, you want to make sure that the plates are flat on both sides. So the way you do that is make sure that you do not have the nuts tightened all the way. You want to make sure it fits, and then you slowly hand tighten to make sure that it stays even. Once it's even, you can start using your wrenches or your power tools to tighten it down. Just make sure you do a cross pattern, just to make sure that it does not warp to one side. And that should be it. One of my buddies gave me this fluid film that you could put on pretty much any type of metal to help prevent any rust and corrosion. So the way he said to put this on is just spray it liberally, and it will create like a film that will help prevent any rust. And of course, you always want to protect your investment. Now he did say that it does leave like a little film on there, as you can see, and eventually what will happen is it will dry up and soak into the metal. Actually, that completes the install.